Meaning of double-blind.
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 Double-blind. Double-blind refers to a research study design in which neither the participants nor the researchers know which participants are receiving the treatment and which are receiving a placebo. This helps to reduce bias and ensure that any observed effects are due to the treatment itself rather than expectations or biases of either the participants or the researchers. Results from double-blind studies are considered to be more reliable and credible than those from non-blind or single-blind studies, as they provide a higher level of scientific rigor and minimize potential sources of error or influence.